Welcome back, fellow parents. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of parenting, punishments versus consequences. Join us as we unravel the differences and explore why it matters so much. As we navigate the intricate world of raising kids, one fundamental principle stands out: teaching them to own up to their actions and face the consequences when they make poor choices. Here at Empowering Parents, our programs emphasize the significance of employing effective consequences rather than resorting to punishments. But what exactly sets these two apart, and why does it hold such significance in our parenting journey? Let's dive in. Explanation of punishments. First up, let's unravel the concept of punishments. Picture this. Punishments are akin to retribution or vengeance for a wrongful act. They send a clear message to our children: think like me, or else. But here's the catch. They don't respect the child's right to make a decision, even if it's a poor one. Often stemming from anger and fear, punishments can manifest as a withdrawal of love, coercing our children into compliance. But let's face it, this approach falls short. It neither fosters accountability nor nurtures the parent-child relationship. Explanation of consequences. Now let's shift gears to consequences. Unlike punishments, consequences stem from the outcomes of one's behavior. There are two main types: natural and logical. Natural consequences are the unpremeditated outcomes of actions, while logical consequences are intentionally planned by parents or guardians. Both play a pivotal role in guiding our children's behavior. Importance of consequences. But why are consequences so crucial, you ask? Well, they serve as invaluable learning experiences. When our kids face the results of their actions, they learn to make better choices and refine their behavior. In essence, consequences pave the way for learning and growth. Moreover, consequences communicate to our children that their behavior comes with responsibilities. It's about empowering them to own their decisions while fostering a nurturing parent-child bond. Let's illustrate this with a common scenario. Picture your 13-year-old failing to call and check in while out with friends, despite your explicit instructions. Now you're fuming, contemplating grounding him for a week. But pause for a moment. Is this a consequence or a punishment? Sure, grounding may impart the lesson that irresponsible behavior leads to consequences. However, it misses the mark in providing an opportunity for growth. So what's the alternative? Enter the realm of appropriate consequences. Instead of a blanket punishment, opt for a consequence that aligns with the desired lesson. In this case, restricting the outing time and linking it to responsible behavior offers a pathway for learning and improvement. Remember, the goal isn't to control our children's behavior, but to guide them towards responsible decision-making. Tips for effective consequences. Now, let's equip ourselves with some practical tips for crafting effective consequences. Plan ahead. Take your time to devise consequences that align with the desired lesson. Be consistent. Stick to your consequences despite any pushback or lack of immediate change in behavior. Focus on what you control. Guide your child while letting them take responsibility for their actions. Maintain a matter-of-fact approach. Emphasize facts over emotions to foster a constructive environment. Acknowledge your limits. Accept that you can't control your child's behavior entirely. Use I statements. Communicate boundaries clearly without resorting to accusatory language. Wrapping up, let's revisit the essence of punishments versus consequences. While punishments breed compliance through fear, consequences nurture accountability and growth. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And as always, share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below.